What's going on, folks? If you got your vehicle running and you hear this sound right here, most likely your water pump is going bad. Yeah, if you hear that sound when your vehicle's running, especially if you look underneath there and you see some water dripping out of it, this is a sound a lot of times that your water pump makes. Is what this is right here is a water pump. That if you hear that sound pretty much, which means that the belt is turning on your water pump, but the bearings inside of it are gone bad. And if that's the case, pretty much you're going to have water start to drip out of it. And if you don't change it soon enough, you could mess up your alternator also, because the water coming out of here could then splash inside of your alternator, which that can mess that up too. See right here, this is what can happen to your your alternator. If your water pump is bad and it's throwing out water everywhere, what can happen is it can get into your alternator pretty much and mess up your alternator also. This was the problem with this vehicle on the Chevy Traverse, that the water pump had went out on it, and then it was throwing water for a minute, so therefore it got all inside of the alternator. You see it's all wet and everything in there, and basically messed up the alternator also. So this vehicle wound up needing a new water pump as well as a new alternator on it. So this is the reason why if you see your water pump dripping, it's probably best to go ahead and change it out sooner than later. All right. Too. So if you hear this sound, have your water pump checked out and definitely look for water on the ground. All right, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share it. Thanks.